how to add payment method on TripAdvisor. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. It's really simple to add payment method on your TripAdvisor. Let's dive right in. Open up the TripAdvisor app and then head over to your account in the bottom right corner. Now go to Preferences and then go to Payment Preferences. So now tap on Add Payment Method, and now you need to put in your card holder name, and then you can put in your credit card or debit card number. Put in the expiration date, the security code, the billing address, and then just hit safeguard in the bottom right. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.